So today we will create a reusable fetch function. In the previous session, we had created multiple fetch requests. Having to repeat the same code to make a request, handle the response, and managing errors can get tedious and unnecessary. So in this video, I will show how to simplify your fetch request by creating a reusable data fetching function. So create a function fetch data. Add URL as a parameter. Inside the function, add return fetch URL. Add then method and add response.json. Now, instead of the fetch method, add fetch data function. Also, remove these then methods because it is already added in the function above. Check the preview and it still works as expected. Now, let's use another fetch request so that we can show a random image of the selected breed. So, create a function fetch breed image. We need to select the breed from the select dropdown. So, create a variable breed and assign them to select.value. We then need to select img and p tag so we can update them. So create another variable img and use card.querySelector to select img. Add another variable p and use card.querySelector to select the p tag. Now we can use our fetch data function instead of the fetch method. We need an endpoint, so open Dog API website, click Documentation, by breed, copy the endpoint from random image from a breed collection. Here we will show a random image of the selected breed, so add backtick and paste them. Where it says hound, replace them with a dynamic breed value, so add $breed. Then add the then method, add function with a data parameter. Let's update the image, so add img.src equals data.message. To update p tag, add p.textContent equals click to view more $breed. Now we can use this function when we click anywhere in the card div. So add card.addEventListener, add click event and a function. Also, I want to add them in select dropdown, so add select.addEventListener, use sinceEvent and fetch breed image function. Take the preview, choose any breed. Now, if you click on the card div, it shows other pictures of bulldog. Let me try one more. And it works. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on the error handling. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.